Has it occurred to you that global warming and climate change could be caused by more than just human activities? To us at Space Pirates, it has. Before we indict the ultimate causes of climate change and global warming, let's take an overview. Global warming is the rise in global temperatures due mainly to the increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, while climate change is the variation in average weather condition measured over a long period of time in a region. Usually, parameters such as temperature and rainfall are used to evaluate these variations. Climate change is evidenced in different communities by different events. In some parts of the globe, it's extreme weather conditions such as rapid desert encroachments and tropical storms, while in others, rising sea levels, depletion of corals, and melting glaciers. These realities are a major threat to the continuous existence of human race. Yet, we sometimes cast them behind us as we go on living our daily lives as though the future is given. This reality becomes more worrisome when we try to evaluate the root cause scientifically. Science communities like NASA have observed that Earth's surface is warming, and many of the warmest years on record happened in the past few decades. The impact of global warming and climate change is seen in almost every part of the world. The only contempt in this subject is who is responsible or what is responsible. First, let's look at the most acceptable cause. 1. The activities of man. Many scientists across the globe have provided overwhelming evidence indicting man and his quest for better life through industrialization and manufacturing to be the leading cause of global warming. These processes usually end with emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, and vapor. The good news is we have identified several steps to take to avert further damages. Plant a tree, reuse and recycle everything. Eliminate fossil energy, encourage others to do the same. Yes, we should agree with one voice and mend our ways and embrace green energy. Only then can we be sure. Hope we don't get disappointed. Now let's look at the second most likely cause of climate change and global warming, which I must say is not widely accepted due to the inability to verify it. The gyration of the solar system through the Milky Way galaxy. Yes, the spiraling of our solar system around the galaxy. Does the rotation of the Earth cause day and night? Does the spinning of the moon round the Earth cause tides? Does the revolution of the Earth round the Sun cause seasons? How about the gyration of the Sun through the Milky Way galaxy? Should we say it's responsible for climate change? It's very difficult to prove this because it takes about 263 million years to complete one spiral around the galaxy, which in turn is moving. And the last time we were on this same side of the galaxy, humans were yet to evolve. In fact, there were no primates on the surface of the Earth. The only thing we are sure of is that if we work hard, next time we return to this point, there will be sufficient data in digital form stored for Earthlings, whatever we evolve to peruse. Another probable cause of climate change and global warming is, thirdly, the escaping atmosphere of planet Mars. Maybe we should step down from saying it's probable to it's possible. But then, let's take another look at what we know about our next door neighbor, planet Mars. Do you remember how NASA scientists determined the age of Borealis Basin on Mars through minerals found within Mars rocks blasted off the surface of Mars by impacts and came to Earth in the form of meteorites? When objects or matter escapes the gravitational influence of Mars, depending on its speed and eccentricity, it drifts either further away towards the asteroid belt and Jupiter, or move inwards towards planet Earth and the Sun. Besides Earth, Mars is the most studied planet in our solar system. 400 million years ago, Mars canals were rich with liquids, water to be precise. Then some ginormous events happened and sent chunks of its liquid and gaseous constituents off its reach into the vast space beyond its gravitational pull. Looking at the sun and its revolving planets as a system of force with tremendous influence on everything throughout the solar system, it can be deduced that the escaping atmosphere of planet Mars are pulled by the combined gravitational pull of the sun and planet Earth in such a manner that the escaped greenhouse gases from Mars drift slowly through space to join the host of gas system that make up Earth's atmosphere. If this is true, then the volume of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere will continue to increase. The globe will continue to get warmer until all the glaciers melt. Stranger climatic conditions will be common even when we end the use of fossil fuel, felling of trees, and other activities mentioned earlier as necessary steps to be taken to put greenhouse effect under control. Whether you believe that climate change and global warming is caused by activities of man, or by the gyration of the solar system around the Milky Way galaxy, or by the escaping atmosphere of Mars, or by a combined effect of all, including others not mentioned in this work, climate change and global warming is real. And the question that remains is, what are we going to do about it? Slump on our chairs like some Nigerian leaders when asked to account for funds spent by their offices? Or accept our realities and plan for the best? I guess we'll be fine with the latter. Thanks for watching.
Kindly subscribe to watch our next episode. Don't forget to drop a comment below to help us make better videos for you next time. See you.